Today's video is sponsored by Scrolly. More on them later on in the video. Alright, the title of this video is Write a Letter to Someone, and for me, usually when I'm doing that is because I have a letter from somebody else and I'm sending response letters. But that doesn't have to be the case with you. I think the most special way to write a letter is just to send it and not expect a reply. You just want to reach out. It's special in that way. But I'm just heading back from my P.O. box and I had a few letters in there to which I'm going to reply to one on camera. Alright, I had 3 letters. The first one was from Tyler from Illinois, Sam from Kentucky, and Yana from Texas. So Tyler was first. He wrote April 7th. Andrew, cool channel. You have made me want to get out my Royal Safari typewriter. A couple of friends I went to school with are also filmmakers. Very cool to see all of your creativity these days. Shop Class's Soulcraft is a great read if you haven't read it, as well as Why We Drive by Matt Crawford. All the best, Tyler. Thank you, Tyler. And he wrote it with a typewriter, so it's legit. All right, Tyler, I'm going to respond to you right now, and I'm going to write it by hand, which I usually don't do, but for the sake of this video, because I think writing by hand with a pen or a pencil, whatever, is the highest form of response with letters. I've shot myself writing a letter, I think 3 times, but I never felt that I gave it justice in its beauty. So I'm going to try to focus on that this time around. Writing a letter is one of the most potent ways of communicating other than speaking in person. I never throw away a letter that's sent to me. I keep all my P.O. box letters in these clear containers and personal letters in this black box. I almost always type my letters with a typewriter, of course, and today I actually need to send a thank you letter to a new patron. But before I do that, a word from today's sponsor. Today's video is brought to you by Scrolly. Scrolly acts as a physical barrier between you and your phone. You just get yourself the Scrolly Buddy, get the app, and select the apps and distractions that you want to block. So now if you want to access those distractions, you have to physically tap the Scrolly Buddy and it'll allow you to access these things for a limited amount of time. Overall, I've seen a substantial decrease in my screen time, and I think it's just because of that thought process Scrolly enforces, where you have to think about going on these apps and platforms where before it was just instant gratification. This blocks that. Use code ANALOG to receive 10% off your Scrolly Buddy. The link is in the description. Thank you, Scrolly. I just got a haircut, but for some reason all these ideas are coming to me for this video while I'm driving, for whatever reason. But anyway, I realized that I got a lot of questions asking me where to find pen pals or how do you find people to write to? First of all, I think with the whole idea of this video, start off by just writing to people you know. I've written to people that I talk to every day. I've written to my cousins, I've written to friends, I've written to my nanny, I've written to my dad, I've written to everybody basically. So start with that and don't expect a reply. Like I said, I think it's so important to enjoy just the process of writing a letter. And then if you get one back, that's even better, but just enjoy the process. I think part of the reason why letters are so special in today's society is because it's so opposite of everything else. All the other ways of communicating, like texting or even calling people or social media, it's the opposite of that. This is slow. It's not fast paced. It's delayed gratification, and you have to put time into what you're writing about because you're not going to get those words back. And I think there's something to that. So write a letter today.